I want to define some variables. Let's let T sub X be total books sold at bookstore X. Total books sold at bookstore X. And of course, T sub Y would be the total books sold at Y. And then let's let X be number of total books sold on Saturday at X. And then of course Y will be the total books sold on Saturday at Y. Alright, so with that done, and we're trying to figure out, was the number of books sold at bookstore X last week? So find, or whatever, if T sub X is greater than T sub Y. Always know what you're trying to find. Now let's look at clue 1. Clue 1 says last week more than 1,000 books were sold at bookstore X on Saturday. So X is greater than 1,000. And fewer than 1,000 at bookstore Y. Well, that's only about Saturday. That tells me nothing about total books during the week. So clue 1 doesn't work by itself. Let's look at clue 2. Last week, less than 20% of the books sold on... Last week, less than 20% of the books sold at bookstore X were sold on Saturday. So Saturday's books were less than 20% of the total books sold. So T sub X. And more than 20% sold at Y. Okay, so 0.2 times total books of Y. And so once again, that's telling me about Saturday, so that doesn't help me. So now let's put the two together. So when I put the two together, we know, let's look at this X here. We know that another name for X is this. So 0.2 T of X sub X is greater than 1,000. And so that is T of X is greater than 1,000 over 0.2. If you're not sure what that is, you can quickly do some long division. Of course, you're going to have to add a 0 to bring that over, and you can tell that's going to be 5,000. So T sub X is greater than 5,000. This is going to work, I can tell. If you look at 2, another name for Y is 0.2 T of Y is less than 1,000. So that says total books for Y is going to be less than 5,000. So is the total books greater for X greater than Y? Yes, because total books for X was greater than 5,000. This was less than 5,000. The answer is C.